This screencast will help you locate a book according to your Fountas and Pinnell reading level or your Fountas and Pinnell text band. Let's use an example. Your teacher has asked you to find an historical fiction book in your text band of UVW. Let's first type in historical fiction to our search parameters. We can then narrow our search, and of course we want our book to be located in the Freeze Lake Library, and we want it to be a book. But now we can look at reading programs area, and if we click on it, there are two choices, Lexile or Fountas and Pinnell, and we're going to click Fountas and Pinnell. And then it will give us a range from which we can set. So if we click on that, and we know that our text band is UVW, we can click U, and the other one will be W, and our results will show us that there are 48 historical fiction books in our library in the text band of UVW. We can see that right here. Another example that you may have is that your teacher wants you to find a book based on a subject, also using your text band. For example, they may want you to look for a book on World War II in the text band of UVW. And we can leave those parameters set. It's a Fountas and Pinnell reading program, UVW, and we'll see that 9 books come up when we use these parameters. Lastly, your teacher may ask you to find a book in the Fountas and Pinnell level that is one level. It's a very specific level. So if we go back to our first example, we can type in historical fiction, and in order to access books at only one level, we just need to make sure that both of these boxes are the same letter. And when we do that, we can see that there are 15 books in the Freeze Lake Library in the Fountas and Pinnell level of V. Thank you for watching the screencast.